Your workbench is likely a crowded mess of single-purpose machines and a tangled web of power cords that never seems to end. One afternoon, you are wrestling with a heat press for a t-shirt. The next morning, you are trying to figure out how to get a logo onto a glass jar without it peeling off in 2 days. It is a constant, exhausting cycle of switching gear and recalibrating your entire workflow. But a new shift is happening in the world of desktop fabrication. There is a single machine hitting the scene that wants to be your one and only tool for almost every surface you can find. It is an all-in-one powerhouse that combines multiple printing technologies into one sleek frame. This device handles ultraviolet ink for hard surfaces. It handles direct printing for garments. It even handles those versatile film transfers that can wrap around almost any shape. You can move from wood to acrylic to metal without skipping a beat. For anyone running a small business or a busy shop, the value of that kind of versatility is hard to ignore. You no longer need to buy 4 different machines to offer 4 different products. You just need this one footprint on your desk. The output quality is where things get really interesting. The colors are deep and punchy. They have a life to them that you usually only see from massive industrial equipment. There's a specific textured effect this machine creates that adds a premium feel to everything it touches. It is not just a flat image. It is something tactile that people want to reach out and touch. When you run your thumb over a printed design on a piece of wood, you can feel the height and the detail. That is the kind of stuff that makes an item stand out on a crowded shelf or a digital marketplace. The setup process is surprisingly smooth as well. The software is built to be intuitive. You can spend your time designing instead of troubleshooting. But we have to talk about the growing pains. Since this is such a fresh release, the early days have not been without some digital friction. Some makers are reporting minor software bugs. The firmware feels like it is still in the testing phase for some users. It is the classic story of being an early adopter. You get the latest tech, but you also get the first round of headaches. The company is pushing out updates to smooth over these rough edges. That is a factor you have to weigh before jumping in. If you are someone who strictly produces one type of item, like only cotton tote bags, then a specialized machine is probably still your best bet. A dedicated tool will always do one thing faster and cheaper. But if your creativity cannot be contained to just one material, this machine is a total game changer. It gives you the power to pivot your entire business model in a single afternoon. You can go from making custom coasters to personalized hoodies to branded glassware without moving from your chair. It is about having a wide open horizon for what you can create. This machine represents a massive leap forward for the home studio. It is about making professional grade results accessible to anyone with a solid idea and a little bit of desk space. You are gaining the ability to print on curved objects like bottles or rounded ornaments with ease. This opens up an entirely new category of products that used to be a nightmare to handle. The transition between different modes is handled within a single workflow. This saves you from the headache of learning 4 different software programs. It is a bold move for the industry. It puts a lot of power in the hands of independent creators who want to compete with the big guys. If you are ready to declutter your shop and expand your catalog, this is the machine you have been waiting for. It is a big investment, but the potential for growth is even bigger.